Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PCTL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Thursday, so that is where the green and red line annotation come from here. And overall, a very, very solid day. And the main reasoning for calling it such a solid day from the technical point of view, that is the price was finally able to not only break above that trend line, but stay up above it. And what I found great about this is the price broke above it here, and then the bears try to press down below there. But fantastic job of that trend line now acting as support. And that is the level that ultimately, bounced it back upwards. So good to see that that level is holding strong. But that is the overarching context, is that the trend line has been broken. Not just a question of can the price continue to build upon this break. So that I'm going to get rid of that. It served its purpose. And the ideal level of support now going forward is up there at 0.038. Ideal meaning, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best going forward? Well, yeah, ideally, if the price can stay above 0.038, that would be a fantastic sign of power. But it's not like that's the end of the world if the price falls below there. From more of a bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, the 50-period moving average, meaning next week, that line is going to eventually start to curl itself upwards and start to move higher. And at that point, as far as just gauging the health of the overall move, that right there is how I'm defining as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. Everyone must visualize that. That is what has been represented. Again, yes, staying above 0.038 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, it's all about that pink line going forward, which on my chart denotes the very well-known, very famous 200-period moving average, which you can see right here in the history of the chart, has acted as resistance on a few different occasions. So keep a very close eye on that, but all in all, any way you look at it, monster movement today. Great way to close out the week. Not just a question of can the price build upon this momentum going forward into next week. Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.